So what are the reasons that causes the banks to collapse? The number one reason is the poor lending practice, in which the banks issues loans to the people with poor credit history or the people with no kind of the finance, with no kind of the assets record or any kind of the property that the bank can use in case the person fails to pay the debts. And the another reasons that causes the banks to collapse is the asset liability mismatch. In it, but the thing that happens is that banks invest heavily in short-term assets, expecting the assets to produce the profit as a result, so that banks can make profit from the money that their clients have invested in them or saved in their banks, and lend loan to the long-term projects. Now what happens is that when those long-term projects require the money, banks don't have that money. Why? Because banks have invested heavily in those kind of the assets. For example, in 2008, banks invested heavily in mortgage-backed securities that guaranteed them interest over a fixed period, but selling those mortgages were very hard. That's what leads to liquidity problems.